Is the screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in CO2? Any doubt in CO2 Lewis dot structure?
No, sir.
Any doubt in CO2 Lewis dot structure?
No, sir.
Let's try one more. N2O. N2O. What will be T?
24.
What will be V? What will be V? $16. Any doubt in V? Any
Excuse me,
doubt
sir.
in V? Yes.
So there are 3 atoms. That is why you got 24, right? 8 into 3.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any doubt in this V?
No, sir.
S will be 8. Bonds will be 4. Unshared will be 8. Okay. Nitrogen will be central atom, right? Four bonds. Complete the octet. This will be the structure. Understood? 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 Any doubt in structure?
So
Any doubt
oxygen
in
is
structure?
So shouldn't it be triple bond on one side?
It can be, but we'll prefer 2-2 first. If you want, I can make that also, but we'll prefer 2-2 first. Definitely, we can have that also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. There was one more doubt.
So oxygen is more electronegative.
Yeah. That is why nitrogen is the central atom.
Okay, sir.
Do we know phone are the most electronegative element? Do we know phone are the most electronegative element? Who was that guy?
Yes,
I
sir.
told you in electronegativity, phone, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen are the most electronegative element. You have to remember this for whole 11th and 12th class. Phone. Phone are the most electronegative element. Always remember this, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the unpaired electrons, one of them it will be on the central atom, no, sir.
Why? They,
So
central
nitrogen
atom.
is sharing 4.
No, central atom has already completed its octet. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes. Central atom has completed its octet already.
So it's carrying 4 electrons, no, sir.
Do not talk about that as of now. Okay. That how much that particular element is giving. Just try to complete the octet of each and every element. What you are saying, that I'll consider in the next topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. What you
Yes,
are
sir. Thank
saying
you.
is, आप ये बोल रहे हो कि nitrogen has these 4 electrons, but we know nitrogen has 5 electrons, so there should be 1 electron on this. That's what you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
What I am saying is, you just complete the octet for each and every element, and then do not think about anything else. Whatever you are saying, that I'll take in the next topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah.
So could you please explain this part?
I have said that Yash was saying, as we know, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and we think that these 4 electrons are of nitrogen. Where is the 5th electron of nitrogen? Should be 1 electron of here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's what he is saying. What I am saying is, Lewis didn't know anything about all this, didn't know all these things. He just completed the octet of each and every element. That's it. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन
Okay, sir.
कहाँ नहीं गया, that will come in the next formal charge के अंदर we will talk about that. अभी के
Yeah,
लिए
okay,
do
sir.
not think about anything else. आप do not think about anything else कि nitrogen has this much electron, oxygen has that much electron, where electrons gone. You just complete the octet of each and every element. Whatever the things you are not getting, that we'll do in the next topic, that is formal charge. वहां पर आपको सब समझ में आ जाए. Abhi, you just
Okay,
focus
sir.
on the completing the octet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Sanjana. Sanjana, what you want me to explain in this structure? We had 4 bonds. We had 2 neighboring elements. So we just gave 2 bonds to each of them. And then we completed the octet. What do you want me to explain? Anything you didn't
So
get?
even I had the same doubt that Yash had. So I just wanted
Okay.
to be explained again.
That's
Thank you, sir.
obvious only. Very good. So we will talk about that thing in the next topic, that is formal charge. Do not think about the electrons of each and every element separately. Just think about completing the octet. Charge ke baare mein, sorry, those electrons we will talk about in the next topic. If you are having that doubt, then it is good only because you are getting the structure. Or try karte. Carbonate. What will be T? What will be T? What will be T? Aradhya?
26.
6 कैसे हो सकता है यार? 8 का मल्टीपल होगा ना? Any doubt? Any doubt? 32 only. Amod, why you have written
So my
24?
network is not get.
Amod. Sanika, you understood this 32?
Yes, sir.
Mangesh. Valence will be how much? Valence will be how much? Sanjana, you have to add 2 electrons which are there in the negative charge also. I gave this in the general classes, general chemistry. Negative charge adds up to the valence electron. Okay, Aradhya. Sanika, we have done this part in the general classes, right? वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन वाला हमने मोल कांसेप्ट में क्वेश्चंस भी किए थे इसके.
Yes, sir.
Negative charge get add up to the valence electron. Positive charge is to be removed from the valence electron.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Any doubt in T and S? Sorry, T and V to anyone? Any doubt in T and V to anyone? Any doubt in T and V to anyone?
No, sir.
Shruti, you didn't subtract properly, I think. S हो जाएगा 32 minus 24, that is 8, मतलब 4 bonds. और unshared हो जाएगा 24 minus 8, that is 16. Right? Shruti? Aman, you didn't report
Sorry,
number
sir.
of bonds.
Silly mistake.
Okay. All of you understood this? We have to form 4 bonds. 4 bonds. Carbon, oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Please look at the structure now. Please look at the structure. Carbon is the central atom. 3 atoms are there. How to form 4 bonds with 3 atoms? How to form 4 bonds with 3 atoms? Two, 1, 1. Then complete the octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, Sanjana. Very good, Amod. Understood. Understood how I formed the structure. Understood how I made the structure and how I made the octet, how I kept the unshared electron. All of you are getting it? Spara has given answer. Madhura. Ibial has not given answer. Sham. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Anam, I have to remove you
मागं
otherwise.
जीवार येतात
Please
तुम्ही
mute
परत
your
पण
mic.
येतात आणि निदत असताय आणि हा मागं किती करू मागं कायच नाही जीवा
क्या हो रहा है? Is the screen visible?
Yes.
N3 minus. T will be. छोड़ दो उसको अब, यहाँ पर ध्यान दो.
Twenty-four.
Sam, what will be T? Sam, how many total electrons are there? इतना खिलखिला के तुम हंस रहे हो. Total electrons बताओ.
24.
Valence.
Valence. So valence 16.
Very good. You didn't add one electron. Very good, Sanjana. Yes, you didn't add one electron.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I added
Can you
electron.
just scroll up?
I'm talking about yes.
Okay, sir.
Done, Sonia. Okay, Brian. Very good, Amod. We have a negative charge also. Just you should know that. Possible नहीं है वहाँ पर बनाना. Understood, all of you? Very good. Now can you do this? Can all of you do this? इसका नाम क्या है वैसे? What is the name of first compound? First anion? I told you this in the general chemistry.
Phosphate.
Phosphate. Next is
Sulfate. Sulfate.
Sulfate.
sulfate. Next is, who remember this one?
Chlorate. Chlorate.
Chlorate.
Please check at the last page of your notebook if you have copied in this notebook also. Please check. I have asked you to please copy that thing in the last page of this notebook also. Is it chlorate? First tell me, anyone have
Yes.
copied that data to the last page of this notebook also?
Yes.
What is this then? This is perchlorate. Chlorate was ClO3 minus. चलो जल्दी जल्दी ट्राई करो. For new students, this all data is there in the 11th PDF, which is there in the files folder only. You can get it from there. For new students, this all data is given in the 11th PDF, which is there in the files folder. You can check it from there.
आता आवाज दे ना.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
A shared pair of electrons should always be even, right? Or it can be odd.
No, it has to be even. No? Then only we can say it is pair. Anam, please mute your mic. Unless you want to ask something. Please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, will you be uploading the recorded classes in the Teams?
Actually, there's a problem in that thing. No? We are talking to the Microsoft team and they were saying that it will get uploaded after 10th, but it's 20th now, so I do not have any information regarding that. You have to ask in the office only.
So you can share the notes, right?
Notes I have already given, I think.
Okay.
Sir, could you
Sir,
please upload today's, if
Yeah, I'll do
possible?
that. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Actually, till day before yesterday's class, I have kept in the 11th class folder. You can take it from there.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
But I needed today's.
I'll put full this chemical bonding of today's class in your folder. Okay.
Yeah,
Then you
okay,
can
sir.
take it from there. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anyone want that periodic classification? I'll put that also.
So structure of atoms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just make the folders and I'll put it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So you put the folder of periodic classification also.
Yeah, I'll put it today only.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Please focus here now.
Sir, besides 8, won't it be 6?
Why?
6 fosa.
Sorry.
It's oxygen now.
Yes, sir. Yes, Malak. Sir. 6 only. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. All of you done? 4 bonds. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. Who was talking about odd electron? Very good, Amol. Tanika, there is a negative charge also. Aradhya, you are there in the meeting or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So for the sulfate, U will be 16, no?
U will be 16, 24. How much T we have?
So it will be 24 only, right?
V is 32. S is 8. And 24 minus 8 will be, sorry, 32 minus 8 will be 24 only, na?
Okay, sorry, sir, my mistake.
Aradhya, I was just asking you are there or not. Can you see the screen or not? Okay, no problem. All of them have same structure, right? All of them have same structure, right? एक ओजोन और ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Try ozone. Try ozone.
So can you scroll up?
So scroll up.
Okay,
Very
sir,
good,
done.
Samita. You also done? The other boy. You also done?
So we have to calculate for ozone now.
Yeah, done. Mangesh, how many bonds you got? How is it 3 bond? Then you should say at least 2 bond and 1 bond like Amod. Very good, Amal. Okay, Mangesh. Akarsh, very good. Sunika, very good. Sati, also good. Madhura, you didn't answer. Sanya, you have not answered anything. Vibyal, Your late answer also not coming. Malakai. Spara. You have also not given answer. Shifa. Yash. Padma. Jermia. Chatra. Hiram. All of you have to give answers. At least tell me total number of bonds. All of you understood? Very good, Jamia. So now you understood how to make the Lewis dot structures. Can we move to next topic?
Yes, sir.
Can we make the Lewis dot structure of this? Go one by one.
So that is BF3.
Yes. Please tell me number of bonds in each case.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you dictate the second question?
The second part you're talking about. PCl5, this.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah.
Tell me number of bonds in each case. Tell me number of bonds in each case. Number of bonds in each case. NCLU will talk about it later separately. मधुरा फर्स्ट इज जीरो बॉन्ड. जीरो कैसे बॉन्ड हो सकते हैं यार? मधुरा जीरो कैसे हो सकते हैं यार?
Sorry, sir, I did some calculation mistake.
Okay. I do not want you to make the structure. I just want you to tell me the number of bonds. Please make it clear. Structure नहीं बनाना है. Just tell me how many bonds are there. That's it. Caroline. Very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, before this question, you had given the ozone one only, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
SF6. 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 Anyone have done SF6? Anyone done SF6?
4.
Four bonds. Four bonds. NO. NO. Fractional.
Sir, SF6 has 4 bonds.
Yeah, four bonds. That's what it is coming, right? NO2. Fractional. XeF4. 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 Two bonds.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, SF6 has actually 6 bonds now.
Yeah, but we are not talking about actually. We are talking about what we are getting from this Lewis dot structure.
Okay, sir.
You just give me these answers. I'll give you the proper explanation of each and every question.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. आप बस मुझे आंसर दे दो. I'll give you the proper explanation. XeF2. Understood.
So,
Yes.
can you just solve the first one?
How I got four bonds that you are asking, or the structure you are
Yeah,
talking about?
the first one. Can you just solve? I'm
How
getting
I'm
the
get
wrong.
BF3. What will be T? 32. V will be 3 plus 7 into 3. S will be 8. Bond will be 4. Okay. Tanya.
So can you explain the fractional?
Yeah, sir.
Oh. Yes, Sam.
So can you explain fractional?
Did you try that?
XeF4.
Did you try that, Sam?
No, sir.
No. देखो, here P will be 16, 2 atoms. V will be 5 and 6, 11.
Yes, sir.
S will be 5, bond will be 5 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you done this much? All of you done this much? I'm telling you an important
Yes,
thing.
sir.
So please tell me, all of you have done this much?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes.
so show the sixth one.
Sixth one. You want me to calculate the number of bonds for that?
Yes, sir.
8 5 is 40. V is 8 plus 4 into 7, 28. That is 36. S will be 4. Bonds will be 2.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So I am just erasing everything. All of you have done because.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you just say that solve that third one only?
What is third? SF6. How much T we have?
So that is SF6.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
What you thought? Seven by two, you said, right? Yeah. 2 and 1. See. Now listen to this carefully, please. All of you listen to this carefully, please. Sanika. And there was one more guy. These are actually the limitations of octet rule. As Sanika said, that in SF6 there should be 6 bonds at least. Because valency of fluorine is 1. So there should be at least 6 bonds. But we are getting only 4 bonds. That means this is wrong. Okay, Sanika.
Yes, sir.
फ्लोरीन की वैलेंसी 1 होती है हमें पता है. So there should be at least 6 bonds. But we are getting only 4 bonds. यानी कि ये गलत है. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood? Amal, Yash, Vedant.
Sir, could you repeat?
I have said we know valency of halogen is 1. So we should get 6, but we are getting 4. That means this is wrong.
Yes, sir, understood, sir. Yes, sir.
On the similar basis, can I say this is also wrong? There should be 5 bonds. Very good, Amod. On the similar basis, can I say this is also wrong? On the similar basis, can I say this is also wrong?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Salika. Yes.
So can you explain me? I got disconnected. Why it is wrong?
I have said we know that the valency of halogen is 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So in BF3 there should be 3 bonds.
Okay, sir.
In PCl5 there should be 5 bonds.
Yes, sir.
In SF6 there should be 6 bonds.
Yes, sir.
In XCF4 there should be 4 bonds.
Yes, sir.
In XCF2 there should be 2 bonds.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए सब गलत है.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do we also know fractional bond does not exist? Tanika, I'm not talking about should be. We are just saying they are wrong. ठीक है, अभी हमें उसका स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनाना है. We are just saying they are wrong.
So
इसलिए I didn't ask you to make the structure.
it actually has 5 nodes, so instead we got 4.
Yeah, just do not make the structures. Like sir ने बोला 3 है तो 3 बना देते हैं. Do not make structures. We are just saying that this is wrong. We also know fractional bond does not exist. We also know fractional bond does not exist.
Yes, sir.
That means this is also wrong and this is also wrong. Understood? Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, central atom having less than 8 electrons shared are hypovalent molecule. Okay? Hypo means less. Central atom having more than 8 electrons shared are hypervalent molecule. Hypervalent molecule. Understood?
So it's hyper, right?
HYPER.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the above value we got is all wrong, no?
Yes.
Sir, please explain this again.
I have said if central atom is having less than 8 electrons shared, that is hypovalent molecule.
Okay, sir.
What thing?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if the shared bonds are equal to it, then which molecule it is considered?
There is no particular name for that. It has octet complete. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Central atom having odd number of valence electron are odd electron molecule. Understood? Understood.
Please scroll up.
Understood.
Done, sir.
ठीक है, अब मैं लिख देता हूँ. Lewis octet rule is not applicable for hyper odd electron molecule it is even not applicable to xenon compounds. Okay. Okay. Because Lewis के हिसाब से xenon को compound formation नहीं करना चाहिए. According to Lewis, xenon should not form compound as it already have complete octet. Because
So could you
according
repeat?
to Lewis, xenon should not form compound as it is a noble gas and it has complete octet. Right?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Now you are getting it. Why all of them are wrong? And what is the reason behind it? सारे गलत हैं और क्यों गलत हैं? All of you understood it? The structure of ClO4. Why it is wrong? Yes. Why ClO4 minus is wrong? But not at least through this theory. What makes you to think so? Yes, perchlorate क्यों wrong है यार? Can you please speak up and tell us? Yes. Please fast.
It's also because it has 7 electrons, no, sir, in the
No,
outermost.
but we made it 8 now by adding that negative charge.
So it doesn't have a lone electron.
Lone electron means?
Lone pair of electrons, sir.
In this, no, it does not have. In this Wills dot structure, we have made it. See, I'll show you that what you have only made it. Right. Tell me, where do we have lone pair electrons of?
So from where the chlorine is getting the electrons to fill its oxide?
That all I'll tell you in the next topic. Chlorine के अगर
Okay.
आप ये बोल रहे हो, आप what you are saying is, sir, I can see only 4 electrons of chlorine. Where the other 3 electrons of chlorine have gone? That's what you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
That I'll tell you in the next topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
अभी तो आप ये बताओ, क्लोरीन का ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट है कि नहीं
है, sir.
Yeah, that's it. What all you are talking about, इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ गए? That all I'll tell you in the next topic. What Sania is saying. Sir, that means Lewis dot structure is not applicable for noble gas. Yeah. Yes, Anya, that's what we have written.
Excuse me,
Because-
sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please explain how BF3 is hypovalent molecule?
BF3. If I make the structure of BF3, we can have only 6 shared electrons. Because the valency of fluorine is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So there can be only 6.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
So just we'll take one question, then we'll proceed. Lewis octet rule is applicable for Do it first. Lewis octet rule is applicable for yes. How it is applicable? Kaise yes? How many bonds you are getting? Don't you think it will be a hypovalent molecule? Yes.
So why, sir?
What do we mean by hypovalent molecule? What I just explained to her.
It says less than 8 electrons, the central
Yeah.
atom.
Don't you think there will be only 2 bonds? Because valency of chlorine is 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You understood it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain again?
I have said Lewis octet rule is applicable for which of the following? Yes said it's second one. I have said that I know that valency of chlorine is 1. If valency of chlorine is 1, then there can be only 2 bonds. If there are 2 bonds, there will be 4 electrons shared. If there are only 4 electrons shared, then it will be less than 8 electrons, so it will be hypovalent molecule.
Okay, sir.
Sanika, you didn't get it? Didn't answer. Shanvi, Asher, Tania, Amod, Spara, Madhura, Amal, Shruti, didn't answer. I think it won't be applicable to this क्योंकि ये hypervalent है. It won't be applicable to this because ये odd electron molecule है. Sorry, Amod, I didn't see that. Understood? First वाला नहीं होगा because it is hypervalent. Second वाला नहीं होगा because it is hypovalent. It won't be third one because it is odd electron molecule. Understood? Vedant, you didn't answer. Vaibhavi, Rishikesh, Jermia, Allakai, Shifa, Sherlene. It can be this or it can be this. Very good, Sanika. Odd electron molecule part. In this question or in the previous part, Rishikesh, if I try for ClO3, then T will be 32. Any doubt in T? Let's take this one only, Rishikesh, first. Then you will get that one also. Any doubt in T, Rishikesh? Any doubt in T, Rishikesh? No. V will be 7 plus 6 into 3. 25. Rishikesh, any doubt in V? Aditya, I'll come to that. Just wait. So S will be 32 minus 25, matlab 7, and bond will be 7 by 2. Rishikesh, 7 by 2, matlab 3.5 bond. That is fractional, not possible. और ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? Why this all is happening? Because here we have odd electron. Why this all is happening? Because here we have odd electron. Now you can try those also. Aditya, IF7. Fluorine will have one bond because its valency is 1. So there should be 7 bonds. Matlab there should be 14 electrons shared. But according to Lewis octet theory, there can only be 8 electrons shared. Hence it is hyper, ज़्यादा है. Understood. Now I am going to next topic. You all have to remember these limitations. Very late. Amod ke very good Amod.
Sir,
Yes.
I just asked you a question. You didn't answer me.
What was that?
That noble gas one.
I said yes for that. बोला था मैंने.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Yes, now we are going to talk about the charges and where those electrons have gone. Okay, अब हम बात करते हैं कि what charges are present on different elements. Write on formal charge. Formal charge. Charges present on different elements in Lewis dot structure. Formal charge का फॉर्मूला है वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन minus half of shared electron minus non-bonding मतलब unshared electron. Unshared electron उन्हीं को बोलते हैं non-bonding electron. Non-bonding electron. Please write down the formula. Valence electron minus half of shared electron minus overall unshared electron अनशेड इलेक्ट्रॉन का दूसरा नाम है नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन.
So could you please scroll up?
What you want to see?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, I just wanted to check. I lost connection.
Copy the formula first. All of you copied the formula. So first important thing is for formal charge, you should know how to draw the structure. You can calculate the formal charge once you draw the structure. Understood? इसलिए आपको पहले स्ट्रक्चर बताया गया है. First I taught you all the structures, then I am coming to formal charges. If you do not know the correct structure, your formal charge will also come out to be wrong. If you do not know the correct structure, your formal charge will also come out to be wrong. If you do not know the correct structure, your formal charge will also come out to be wrong. Understood? चलो ट्राई करते हैं. जैसे हमने लिया CO. I am just making its structure. Tell me whether it's correct or not, because I gave you this. This only electron dot structure we made. This only we made. यही बनाया था हमने. Okay. Now I have A and we have B. Let's calculate the formal charge on A. Please do not copy. एक बार देख लो ठीक से. Just see it first, then go for then copy it. Okay. A मतलब carbon. What is the valence electron of carbon? 4. Half of bonding electrons, मतलब shared electron, that is 6. Minus non-bonding electron, that is 2. 4 minus 3 minus 2, मतलब -1. इस पर चार्ज है -1. Any doubt in this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the structure you wrote only the valence electrons.
I didn't get. Can you please repeat?
So in the structure which you drew of CO, you drew only the valence electrons.
No, I have made all the electrons which were there in the electron dot structure. I made the structure also. Paired are also.
I think I missed that part, sir. Okay, no problem.
Again, didn't get it. You understood this form?
Yes, sir.
Breaking actually.
Your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
All of you
audible.
understood the form?
Sometimes your voice breaks. Sometimes.
Now also it's breaking.
No, now it's okay, sir.
Oh, thank you. So understood the formal charge of carbon? I'm going for oxygen then. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Understood the formal charge on both the elements? Mode, that's why the compound is neutral.
So can you scroll up?
Yes, now you can ask whatever you want regarding electrons in CO. Not
Okay, sir,
this
done.
one,
Okay, sir, done.
but yes, the coming. Okay, leave this. Yes, they are not related to oxidation state. Okay, because these are not the real structures only. Oxidation state will be related to the real structures. That is the overall charge on neutron. Yes, we didn't make any charge. Arya, charge is something that you can see. And we were not able to see any charge on carbon monoxide. That means it was neutral. Arya?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So what are the structures, like real structures and not real structures, you said?
I'll tell you that in the VSEPR theory. See, these are some of the structures which were not accepted only. This was one of the attempt to make the structures. Okay, so some were correct, some were not correct.
Okay, sir.
यश है ना, ये सब
Yes,
सारे
sir.
सही नहीं है because they had limitations. इसके लिए होता है, उसके लिए नहीं होता है. Odd electron के लिए it is not working, xenon के लिए it is not working, hypervalent के लिए it is not working, hypovalent के लिए it is not working. So we cannot rely on this. It is just a part
Yes.
of your syllabus that you have to do. I will tell you another theory for all the structures of inorganic molecule, and there we can talk about oxidation state as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
because oxidation state is a very important thing. I do not want you to get confused with any of the topic. वो बहुत important है. It is related to 5 or 6 chapters. Okay, so do not relate it here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have. Okay, try for ozone. I'll just see. Can you explain the result structure of CO after the class recorded? Okay, Janil, we'll do that. Let's talk about ozone.
So the screen
This
is
structure
frozen.
I made for. Screen is frozen? I don't think so.
So it is not frozen.
No, sir. No, sir.
Frozen, sir.
Okay, then calculate
Okay,
the
sir, I'll
formal
rejoin.
charge. Yeah, calculate the formal charge on all the 3 oxygen. Try this. Anyone want me to solve it?
So could you please solve?
Okay. अब देखते हैं first oxygen. This is the first oxygen. Oxygen has a valence electron of 6. How many bonded? 4. How many non-bonded? 4. So 6 minus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, Sanika.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood this? Very good, Madhura.
So solve for the second one.
Second है ये 6 valence electron. Only 2 are shared, 6 are unshared. 6 minus 1 minus 6 equal to minus 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
एक और कर ही देता हूँ मैं 6 minus half of 6 minus 2. 6 minus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Any doubt? Any doubt?
So we have to draw the structure.
Yes, you have to draw the structure for your schools. Entrance के लिए तो मैं आपको ट्रिक बता दूंगा, उस ट्रिक पे हो जाएगा. For the entrance purpose, I'll tell you a trick. On that basis, you will be able to solve it without drawing the structures. But for the school purpose, you have to make the structure first. Then only you can say these much are valence electron, these much are shared, these much are unshared. For school purpose, you should know how to draw the structure as well. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can we see this CO? Yash Kamat. See, we know oxygen has 6 valence electrons, right?
Yes, sir.
So there should be 6 valence electrons, but we can see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it has given its 1 electron.
Yes, sir.
And this is the proof of that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Carbon we know have 4 valence electron, right? But we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means carbon has taken 1 electron.
Yes, sir.
And this is the proof of that.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Sanika, you understood? You were also talking about this? Yes.
So, but
Yes, sir.
now we came to know that this was the reason. So before, how did you do?
At that time, I just completed the octet.
Okay,
And
sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, this is the one which we drew now is the correct structure,
Yeah, for CO it is correct.
and the earlier one was not actually correct,
Which one? Earlier one?
where you had completed the octet.
See, we do not have to make formal charges on Lewis dot structure. We do not have to put the formal charges. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It
Thank
doesn't
you.
mean that that was incorrect. Just we didn't show the charges. Now we are showing the charges as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's talk about this as well.
Thank you, sir.
Just wait for 2 minutes more. Can you see this? Here oxygen has 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
Do you think it should have -1 charge?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
think it should have -1 charge? It should have -1 charge.
Yes, sir.
Do we have -1 charge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have -1 charge. See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 electrons, and
So
it
charge is
actually have 6 electrons. That means there should not be any charge on this.
yes, sir.
Do we have charge on this?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Check it. First के लिए हमने 0 निकाला है. What about this one? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it has actually 6 electrons. What does it mean? It has
Plus
lost
one
1
charge.
electron. It has lost 1 electron, so +1 charge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So if we apply this formal charge on the compounds or the molecules which were not accepted for the Lewis dot
Yeah.
structure, so we will get there the correct
No,
one.
we are not able to draw their structure only. How can we get the formal charge? जब स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा तभी फॉर्मल चार्ज आएगा. उनका तो हम स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं बना सकते. We cannot make the structures of those molecules. Understood?
Okay, sir. So we cannot be sure not always.
Again, what?
So we cannot be sure not always.
We cannot be sure only for those exceptional cases, or you can say limitations. For this, we can be sure for the formal charges. If we know the structure, we can show the formal charges. If we do not know the structure, we cannot show the formal charges. That's what you're saying? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want whatever the Lewis dot structures we have made, try to find out the formal charge on each and every element of all molecule. उससे आपकी practice हो जाएगी. I want you to find out the formal charge on each and every element of all molecule for the practice purpose. And tomorrow I'll tell you the trick also. Understood?
Yes, sir. So please repeat what you said just now.
Whatever structures we have made together today and yesterday, try to find out the formal charge on all the elements of all molecule. जितने भी स्ट्रक्चर्स हमने बनाए अभी तक, उसमें सारे एलिमेंट के ऊपर फॉर्मल चार्ज निकालो, उससे आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी.
Okay, sir.
Once you are done with that, then I'll tell you the trick. Otherwise, you won't find it out only. Understood? ये कर लेना आज. That will be good. So that's it for today. Let's do tomorrow.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So in the question which we solved, the one question which we solved today of which is applicable for Lewis octet.
I didn't get what you said. Which question you're talking about?
So the Lewis
Okay,
octet
okay.
rule is applicable for. So in that we could directly tell for some of the molecules that how many bonds they can form.
Yes, you can say from that basis also that for
So how can
halogens the
we
valency.
say it for ClO3 directly, sir?
Because ClO3 does not have any charge. If ClO3 does not have any charge and Cl has odd valence electron, it will remain odd. And we do not want odd valence electron.
Okay, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
समझ
Thank
में
you,
आया
sir.
आपको क्या बोला मैंने?
हाँ, sir.
ClO3 minus होगा तो I can say it will make. ClO3 plus होगा I can think about it. But if it is ClO3, then 7 will remain 7. So I'm 100% sure it will be an odd electron molecule.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Tanya, it is opening for others. For you also it should open.
Thank you, sir.
Right. That's it for today.
Thank you,
Janil has gone. Janil, yeah.